In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect your EsaFX account to TradingView so you can trade seamlessly and track your positions in real time. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials, and when you are on the TradingView platform, I want you to hover to the bottom left corner where you can see the trading panel option. I want you to click on it and then go to the Find Broker, and we're going to type in EsaFX. All I have to do is very simple. Click this button right here and click the Connect button. Because if you do, you get access to TradingView's powerful charting ecosystem. You have 400 plus built-in technical indicators you can trade and thousands of community-created scripts you can follow, which helps you analyze price action better without needing separate charting tools, right? You have multi-time frame and multi-chart layouts to view markets from different angles, as you can see it from here. Instead of analyzing on one platform and executing on another, you can place trades directly from the TradingView charts. For example, you can drag and drop panel orders and set the entry stop, streamlining workflows and reducing the execution friction. And with that being said, that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.